Greetings, this is Pastor Pleasant coming to you from Gethsemane Threshing Floor Prayer Garden. Just finished rocking this off this morning. Met up with Deacon Johnson as he was watering all the beautiful plants and flowers. What a wonderful job he's doing. Keeping it alive in the prayer garden. I just wanted to let you just get a taste of what we would be experiencing in this place. None other than just a peace of God, serenity. As I come closer to the center of our prayer garden, you hear something in the background. Let me be quiet for a second and let you get to listen. How does that sound? I agree with you. Sounds peaceful. We'll check you out on the next video. Be blessed.